Matsunuko Tancho showa I bought it as. Disappointingly, the edge spot is getting a little bit messy now, and it's getting benny on other parts of the body. If you look at the side look, I thought it had. Disappointing that is. Some on the tail look, come in, some orange down that tail there, look. From a distance it looks quite decent though, don't it, in the pond. 160 though, I bought that for. Didn't have that on when I got it. The sumi is really nice actually, the two bands. But I suppose now it's nothing more than a showa. So I don't know how you go on with things like that, whether you can buy something as a Tancho showa, and if it does get, you know, orange slightly in other places, it does then become a showa. I'm not sure, maybe someone can clarify that. I think it is a showa now technically, but hey, it's grown 3 centimetres this year. Still love it, but it just takes it away a little bit, don't it? And that just shows that you do get what you pay for, really. You know, if I'd have bought it at this age, it would have cost me maybe, well, it wouldn't cost me any more probably, because it's not developed as it should. So the breeder, you know, would be selling it as a showa, I'd imagine. So, you know, if you really want something really pure, you live and learn. It's a Japanese koi. It's got some colours on it, so it's took away from the quality. So if you really want something pure and really good, you've got to buy them, you know, when they're more mature, so they're less likely to change. You've got to buy an adult that's probably 3-4 years old or more. It's all developed to get the edge spot and the pattern and a really pure koi, a good shirojo, white. You're going to be paying a lot of money. So, you know, for a Japanese koi, 160 I suppose I paid for it, not done bad. And it was a lot smaller than that, than the sumi. But in the pond again, if you look from this, you can't tell the other aspects of it. It's not going to be a show koi, I'm not going to show it, but it looks nice and lovely white skin look. And, you know, you could say it's still a nice koi. Still a nice koi for the pond when they're just swimming about like that. You're not going to tell, don't you jump out like the last one. So get that one back in there.